Are you tired of staring at your stomach, wishing for that flat, toned look, but just not seeing the results you deserve? You've tried countless crunches and countless workouts, but somehow nothing sticks. I know the feeling. Well, today is different. If you've been dreaming of the abs you can show off and the confidence that comes with a flat stomach, this 10-minute workout will push your limits and bring your body closer to that goal. No more excuses. It's time to transform. Step 1. Reverse crunch with leg drop. Before we dive into the workout, let's warm up quickly. This is crucial to avoid injury, so take just a minute for these dynamic stretches to activate your core. Feel that blood flowing? That's your body gearing up to crush these abs. Remember to keep your legs as straight as possible during the leg drop. Let's get started. Time for the plank hold. Let's work that core. Holding this for a minute isn't as easy as it seems. The plank engages your entire abs, obliques, and lower back, building serious strength. Feel the burn? That's your body transforming. Keep pushing. Every second counts. Let's take a 10-second break, then we're moving into crunches.
Feel like she giving me panic attacks. It was inevitable. She was inevitable. Feel like I'm dropping the ball. Always the devil, you know.
Let's take a 10-second rest, and then we have Russian twists. Lean back as far as you can and twist, making sure your back stays straight. I know it's difficult, but let's try our best. These target those tough lower abs. Feel the burn? That's how you know you're on track. Push through, stay focused, and let's tackle those stubborn abs head on. Let's finish strong with mountain climbers. Bring one leg in at a time as fast as you can. These target more than just your abs. They're full-body fat burners. The quicker you go, the tougher it gets. But that's where the real results happen. Feeling tired? Good. Keep pushing. Don't stop now. Let's go.
I just can't say no, say no, say no, say no. never wanted to cry.
Let's kick things into high gear with bicycle crunches, my all-time favorite. Bring one leg in at a time, touching the opposite elbow. This targets your upper and lower abs, plus your obliques. Feel that burn in your core? If not, go harder. This is the key to real results. Focus on each twist and extension. Let's go. Thanks for joining part 1 of this 10-minute abs workout. Let me know your favorite exercise in the comments and stay tuned for part 2, coming soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on the rest. Keep up the great work, and I'll see you in the next one.
I can't help it if it's just one night.